Have you ever wondered how artificial intelligence will shape our future? Or better yet, how Sora AI is already reshaping it? As we stand on the brink of a technological revolution, AI is not just a concept. It's a reality that's woven into the fabric of our everyday lives. And at the forefront of this revolution is an emerging powerhouse, Sora AI. Imagine a world where machines can learn, adapt, and evolve. That's the world Sora AI is creating. It's not just about programming, it's about teaching machines to think, to understand, to make decisions. It's about creating a future where technology isn't just a tool, but a partner. It's about the power of AI, harnessed and refined to its fullest potential. So are you ready to explore this brave new world with us? Are you ready to understand the magic of Sora AI? Now that we've piqued your curiosity, let's dive into what Sora AI really is. Imagine a world where AI can understand and interpret human behavior. That's the world Sora AI is creating. Sora AI is not your run-of-the-mill artificial intelligence. No, it's a game changer. It's designed to observe, learn, and interpret human behavior in a way that's unprecedented. How does it do this, you ask? Well, it's quite fascinating. Sora AI uses advanced machine learning algorithms to study patterns in human behavior. It picks up on subtle cues and nuances that we might not even be aware of. Once it's gathered enough data, it begins making predictions, guiding decisions based on what it has learned. The result? An AI that can think, respond, and make decisions just like a human would. No need for complex codes, no need for constant human supervision. It's an AI that truly understands us. Sounds like science fiction, doesn't it? But that's the reality Sora AI is making possible. So how does Sora AI change the game? What does it mean for you and me? Well, Sora AI is revolutionizing the way we interact with technology. It's not just about making tasks easier. It's about creating a world where artificial intelligence understands us, helps us, and works alongside us. Imagine a world where your devices anticipate your needs, where machines learn from their mistakes, where technology is no longer a tool, but a companion. That's the world Sora AI is building. It's pushing the boundaries of what's possible, transforming industries from healthcare to entertainment, finance to education. Sora AI is making waves in the tech world, and its ripple effects are felt in our daily lives. It's changing how we work, how we learn, how we play, and even how we think. As we stand on the brink of an AI revolution, Sora AI is leading the charge. It's not just the future, it's the present.